It was her first time to see that kind of... Guys, maybe she'll be someone that's sexy story. Guys, we are the Israelites. Moses want us to go in. Where is Canaan now? We will pass the Red Sea. Just wait for us. Ready? Let's go. Jump! Jump! Hello! Yeah!
So it says, his master said to him, "Well done, good and faithful servant. You have been faithful over a little."
Where are we? Training. Guys, look at this. Kami sahabat ka po na. Pastor! Aray! Yung camera! Itapin na siya!
Para sa iyong atubangan, nag-join ko
Ibasa sa atong usa ka kaigsuon ganina nga makita sa Ephesians 2 verse 8 to 9. I will read it in English.
Now, the visitation, we walk slowly. There is no, so our small swimming pool. We don't have a house here. Jesus has the little children on the children of the world. Down in yellow, black and white, all the precious thing is that Jesus loves the little children of the world. Oh, kailangan pinili sa mantang sahay. You give it a one, parang bibig. Give it a... yeah, salamat daw. She's giving us rice. Ask God that He will provide. And look at, as we do visitation today, look at that was really God. And we didn't think that He will give us 5 kilograms or maybe 6. I don't think.
Mantausan misionary sa liwat kadua sila. Ganito sa
Bang, salamat berdua tabi.
dito lang ka, di mo kami kita. Iya, ano bakit ang lain
Kasi sa 2 Timothy verse 3 to 14 mga igsunan no nga, nag-ingon dito ni I will always patay and represent. She will patay.
Balik ang Ginoo, wa ako diya kung nakamatay na nag-alagad sa iya. Okay, salamat. Mayroong mga arang silablam, no?
Manag pagkabati sa iyang tingong pagkimliwi, ang mga mananagbuhat ug maayo, manag pagmula, nga binanhaw ngadto sa kinabuhi.
Tod sa gilutlan sang kalag nga espiritu kag sa ginakitaan sa mga lutalutahan kag utok sa tutulan. Ini nagatungkad sa mga pangunahuna kag mga handom